Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a zombie hot dog. So here I can see that I'm using my blue pen to draw a zombie hot dog. I'm starting with its angry eyes. Here's its nose. Now I'm drawing its mouth. It seems like it's smiling, but it's not. Now let's start coloring. I'm using my red pencil. I'm using my brown pencil. Now I'm using my yellow-orange pencil. Inside its eyes, I'm using my pencil. Wow, it's looking really horrific. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.